You want to go with me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What do you want to go with me on?
And the tractor.
In the big truck?
Yeah.
Who said there's not a kitty under the hood?
There's a tree under there.
Is there a kitty under the hood?
Under there.
Over there?
The truck.
Where did it go?
In that.
There it is. Welcome back to Flint Transport. My name is Justin. Going trucking tonight. I'm running truck number 125. It's got a C12 cat with a 10-speed. I just took it home. I don't live far from where the trailers are parked that I got to go get. And time to head out, about 7:30. Something that's hard for every driver that's got to be gone at night is stand by. Here is the rig. I got to be a little careful where I shoot video around here because otherwise I have to get it approved. But this is one of the trailers. This is a Mack trailer. See it up there? And we pretty much just use this trailer for hauling beans. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Grab a load of string beans. String beans look like this right here. They fill the trailer and it comes back to the processing plant. All right guys, before we go much further, I'll get you little details. Truck I'm running, 1999 Kenworth W900. I did a video on this and I can drop a link for that up above. Just quick details. C12, 10 speed. I don't know if I told you that or not, but it's a nice truck. It's by all means not a new truck, but very nice truck. Still a solid truck, that's for sure. And it's been a very reliable truck. C12 motor, I mean, not my favorite motor, but it doesn't pull too bad. It gets good fuel economy. All right, we're gonna hit it. It's got some good sounding Jake brakes, so hang on. One of the things I like to do when I hook up to a trailer is pull the trolley valve. What I mean by that is this valve right here. So you just pull that trolley valve, we call it, and make sure that the trailer is hooked up correctly. The last thing we want to do is drop a trailer out on the road. Just arrived out of the field. And not a lot of room here to load. The pickers are out picking. There's the tractor and dump carts over there. I actually got a truck ahead of me that's going to be loading. Can't even see me. But let me show you guys. This is what I'm talking about, where we can't have trucks with all the low skirting and T680s with the skirting, you know, blah blah blah, for all the fuel economy. Because look at what we're running across here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're out in the field. It's muddy, and we're talking about not backing off the road too far so we don't get stuck. That's what we're dealing with. And you know, we try to keep our trucks nice, but this is what we got to do. We got to get these trucks loaded. There's no good spot to load other than backing in the field. These guys got big four-wheel drive tractors, so worst case scenario, we'll get a little push or a tug, get pulled out. They're dumping the dump cart onto the truck. Takes about 3 big dump carts full. We're gonna head back. And that's it, guys. My bean hauling night came to a quick end. I was gonna shoot some more video, but all the loads got canceled. Stuff happens. So now we're headed back. I get to get some sleep tonight. Welcome back, guys. I am hauling another load of beans tonight. This time I'm in a Peterbilt. So this is actually a couple days later. I got called in to haul beans again. We just been super busy, and I tell you, this bean harvest, it flat wears guys out. These guys run long hours. It's a lot of fun, but I tell you what, it's tiresome. So we try to rotate guys in and out, getting one of the last loads of the night. I'm running out with one of our other guys. It's truck 107 over there. Just heading out from the plant, picked up an empty. So the truck I'm running tonight is truck number 139. I don't run Peterbilts that often, so I'm not as familiar with where everything is. Window switches, I tend to go reach up. That's usually where it is on a Kenworth. My load is the last or second to last load of the night. There's going to be two guys loading ahead of me. There was plenty of trailers, plenty of empty trailers I could choose from. So I was like, you know what? Rather than go to bed and wait for a phone call, I can never sleep good. So I'm just going to head out with the truck, go out and park and sleep. So this is about 11:30 at night. So that's what that deal is. Just try to get out there, get a little sleep, and get loaded, bring it back, and try to be back into work in good time tomorrow morning. Where I'm going is about an hour away. So hopefully this is one of the last loads I have to run with a truck that I'm not too familiar with. Like I said, guys, if you remember, what truck 144, that one we're putting together, is almost done. We're getting so close. We're waiting on a few panels, a couple different things. Can't wait. So far, I can tell you it's looking pretty good. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Check it out, guys. What do you think? Think I should make the switch? Ram to Honda. All right, before you get too excited, this is my dad's upgrade, and I get to drive it. You gonna say hi?
Hello.
Push button start.
Yeah, you gotta do that, yeah. And then,
Oh, I gotta adjust the seat a little bit.
yeah, I had it way. You can adjust it that when you sit in automatic. Now I want this so that you got every time you start to do that, that's that idle stop.
Stop start.
Yeah.
And then this is reverse.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you back up, this is the line. You have 18 inches yet, and it has a rear camera. Let's see.
Okay.
Now I can see. This is the tailgate.
Okay.
So I can see when I hook up to a trailer.
Hook up to a trailer, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Pretty slick. Caden's got it figured out.
He does. He was along when the salesman went over.
What's the, DS is drive?
Yeah,
Oh,
and then
okay.
if you do it twice, that's small. That's this is direct, and it's 9-speed automatic.
9-speed automatic.
And it does 30 miles to the gallon.
22 miles on here, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the Honda ride. He was actually taking me or dropping me off to pick up something. So it's back. It is not done yet, but it's back. This is a project that has been in the works for probably 3 years. So it's here. Still not completely done, but you can at least see the front end of it. I drove it back myself, and it's a pretty sweet truck. We still, I'd say it's going to be probably another 6 months till the interior is done. It's going to be a wintertime project for somebody to do the interior, but at least the exterior is pretty much done. We're still waiting on a couple small things, but I'll keep you guys posted on that, and I'm hoping in the next week here we're going to get the rest of these components on and go from there. And as far as bean hauling this morning, I had a lot of fun. What happened was we went into the field last night. I left around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and we went into the field. The field that they were picking was not yielding the best, so I basically didn't get loaded till 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. That's why the big delay was. So it just depends where they're picking, how it's yielding, and then not only that, they were in small fields, so it just made a lot bigger delay. And that's what can be it can wear you right out with beans. It's just, you know, someone's got to be there 24/6. Like, it's crazy all the time. You know, we're following these guys around and loading the trucks. Got to have trucks there. So it's fun, but it's very demanding. I'll post a link to a video that I did last year on the bean harvest. So that'll be up above. Check out that link. You can see start to finish what these beans are and kind of how the process works. Not much changes from year to year, but gives you a little idea. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.